Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making roasted chickpeas in the air fryer. So all we need is a can of chickpeas, a seasoning. I'd like to use taco seasoning, but you can use salt, pepper, garlic powder, anything you like. And we also need olive oil. So first let's open a can of chickpeas. And now I will drain the water. After all the water is drained, let's put chickpeas in a bowl. And now I'm going to season it with taco seasoning. And add olive oil. And now let's toss it to coat. And I will put the chickpeas in the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket and put the chickpeas in a basket. Now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking process, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the peas to mix them. And let's put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious roasted chickpeas. Perfectly brown, so tasty and healthy. Look how crunchy. This is a perfect healthy snack. For a printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks on YouTube. Hope to see you next time. Enjoy!